Alright folks, here you have it. I got her done. Got it installed. The brand new 4-core. You see over on this screen. Got the 4 cores running. Playing a video in the background on YouTube. Running real low. You got there 20, 25, 11. The RAM is running really good too. Here. Yeah. Happy I didn't break anything. Didn't have any extra screws. I put it all back together. And that's usually a problem. Here's the benchmarks. I just ran on the heck is the name of that? PC Pit Stop. They have free benchmark testing. CPU top 3 in the world. Nice. That's cool. RAM top 20%. My video card sucks. I can't do anything about that. It's on board. Integrated. 3D video was actually way better than I thought it would be. 28 percentile. Disk is okay. My disk is pretty full, so I need to do something about that, but yeah. Top 3 percentile with that CPU. That's nice. Makes it worth the while. So, I'm Rob from Rob God's World, and this has been installing a new CPU in your NV53A 24U. Went good for me, and hopefully it'll go good for you too. And leave you with a little Caius kicking in here. Oh, there's more PC stuff here. What's this all? Just things I need to fix. They test your computer for if you get junk files and stupid crap like that. I think they charge you for fixing all that stuff, but you can just go through and do it by yourself if you want. A lot easier. Alright then. Peace. those of you who think you can't change out a CPU on your laptop, bullshit, you can. $100. Get performance like that. That's crazy. Oh yeah.